Sustainability and minimalism are two concepts that often overlap, but they have very distinct goals and approaches. Imagine walking into a living room with only a cozy couch, a few plants, and a simple coffee table. No clutter, just space to breathe. This kind of minimalism isn't just about having fewer things. It often leads to more sustainable choices.
I want to talk about the 5 phases of minimalism and focus on their key differences so you can zoom out, recognize where you are on your journey, and take the appropriate action towards the next phase. Phase 1 is curiosity. You enter phase 2 where you start decluttering. Phase 3, building systems. Phase 4 is work-focused. The last phase is all about building wealth and doing things that change your family's tree for generations to come.
Instead of constantly buying new decorations or gadgets, you focus on what you truly need, which reduces waste really. Minimalism is about simplifying life, while sustainability is about preserving resources for the future. But both encourage thoughtful consumption. Sustainability pushes us to look beyond our personal space and consider our impact on the world. It's about using energy wisely, reducing waste, and choosing eco-friendly options.
We keep saying sustainability matters, but what is sustainability? Well, sustainability is essentially fulfilling the needs of our current generation without sacrificing the needs of future generations. And that may look different for all of us. For some of us, that may mean using reusable water bottles or shopping bags, and for others, that may mean planting native plants or biking to work instead of driving. It's important to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all to sustainability, and nobody is out there doing it perfectly. It's really just being conscious about how the decisions we make affect our planet in the present and in the future, and then hopefully making the eco-friendly choice more times than not.
Minimalism, though more focused on personal lifestyle, often leads to the same outcome. By living with less and opting for quality over quantity, people naturally reduce their environmental footprint. For instance, choosing a durable water bottle over single-use plastic is both a minimalist and sustainable choice. Hello everyone, if you've stayed this long in the episode, it means you like what you see and what you hear. Please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the content, leave a comment, and share on your statuses and your stories. Please tag me, I'll be happy to repost. This helps us build the community and also grow the channel. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the episode. In the end, both ideas promote mindful living, whether it's sustainability's focus on protecting the planet or minimalism's goal of reducing excess. They often align. By simplifying our lives, we consume less, waste less, and leave a lighter footprint on the earth. The difference lies in the focus. Sustainability looks outward to the world and future generations, while minimalism centers on creating a calm, clutter-free life for ourselves.